This is our Boom Moto Fat-20T. The reason we call it T is because it's perfect for the trails. He just did a great job on the trail for us. It was super awesome. And the other huge benefit of these is that, of course, like all our Fat-20 series, they fold down. On our controls, you hit the mode button. Your throttle is a twist throttle right here, not a thumb throttle. This makes this bike a little bit more durable. If you drop it, you won't have to worry about that thumb throttle sticking out. The way you can change modes, of course, is by holding these two right here and going through your POS system. On our website, we have the whole POS system for you to download via PDF. While you're there though, right now I'm in pass 1. All I have to do is go up here and that changes my throttle and my pedal assist. Just now on the trail we experienced, I was in about pass 3. That was perfect to help you get up a hill, but not too fast that, you know, you throw yourself at a rock. So you have easy control switches. You can change this, of course, while you're driving, so that's awesome. When you're loading or unloading bikes, one of the ways if you feel like it's a little heavy is the seat comes out and you unlock the key like that, and then this slides right out. That'll take away about 8 to 10 pounds for you to put into the back of the car. It makes it a lot easier. So if you're looking to have a good time on the trail, come check out our Fat-20T. Thanks, guys.